Hey there, future proofers. Welcome to What's Next, where we're always one step ahead of the game. Today, we're diving into a topic that's got everyone buzzing: AI proofing your career. In a world where artificial intelligence is already outperforming entry-level employees in tasks like analysis and content creation, what can you do to stay ahead of the curve? Let's kick things off with a quick reality check. AI isn't just transforming blue-collar jobs anymore. It's making waves in white-collar roles too. The urgency is real, folks. But don't panic. We've got your back with the ultimate guide to being job-ready in the age of AI. First up, let's talk about the big shift happening right now. It's not just about AI replacing jobs, it's about augmentation. Think of AI as your new super smart colleague who handles all the repetitive tasks, freeing you up for the strategic, creative work that really matters. This is especially true for entry-level positions. Companies are now looking for people who can mentor, create, and learn hands-on alongside AI. It's a whole new ballgame, and you need to be ready to play. So, what are the core skills you need to stay competitive? Let's break it down. First, you've got to boost your technical and digital expertise. AI literacy is no longer optional, it's fundamental. You need to understand AI tools, use them effectively, and critically evaluate their output. Even if you're not in a tech role, having some programming basics, data analysis skills, and familiarity with machine learning tools will give you a serious edge. But here's the kicker: while you're beefing up your tech skills, don't forget to power up your human edge. These are the skills that AI still struggles to replicate. We're talking emotional intelligence, creativity, empathy, humor, and moral decision-making. Critical thinking and complex problem-solving are your secret weapons. You need to be able to analyze beyond what AI spits out, adding context and judgment that only a human can provide. And let's not forget adaptability and lifelong learning. The only constant in this AI-driven world is change, so embrace it. Cultivate a growth mindset, stay curious, and be ready to reskill at a moment's notice. Now, collaboration and communication might seem like old-school skills, but they're more important than ever. In a world where cross-functional teams are the norm and AI is part of everyday conversations, your ability to work well with others, both human and artificial, is crucial. Alright, so we've covered the what. Now let's talk about the how. How do you actually build these skills? First up, consider micro-certifications. MOOCs, bootcamps, and apprenticeships are all great options. Companies are increasingly focusing on skill-based hiring, so these certifications can really boost your resume. Want to ace those interviews? Use AI-driven interview prep tools to simulate the experience and boost your confidence. And don't just learn about AI, be part of it. Join internal training programs like Amazon S or take on challenges like 30 Days of GPT to get hands-on experience. Now, let's talk about where the opportunities lie. There are still plenty of jobs that AI won't replace, roles that need that human touch. Think AI ethics officers, creative leads, trades, and high-touch services. But there are also exciting new AI-centric roles emerging. Machine learning engineers, MLOP specialists, trustworthy AI auditors, and AI-savvy product managers are all in high demand. But skills and opportunities are only part of the equation. Your mindset is just as important. In this age of hybrid work, seek out mentorship intentionally. Pair your AI skills with human insight. That's a winning combination. And don't forget to build your personal brand. Be known not just for your AI fluency, but for your people skills too. In a world of algorithms, relationships still matter. Finally, remember that resilience is key. The AI landscape is constantly shifting, so you need to be ready to bounce back, adapt, pivot, and grow. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. So, what's the takeaway from all this? To thrive in the age of AI, you need to blend AI know-how with your uniquely human strengths, empathy, creativity, and critical judgment. It's not about competing with AI, it's about complementing it. Now it's your turn. I want to see your AI ready action plan. Drop a comment below with one skill you're going to start mastering today. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and join the What's Next community. We're all in this together, and together, we're going to shape the future of work. Remember, the future isn't something that happens to you. It's something you create. So let's get out there and create a future where humans and AI work side by side, each doing what they do best. This is What's Next, signing off. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and stay ahead of the curve. See you in the future.